Hey everybody, I installed the iOS 13 beta on my iPhone and I've just been experimenting with all the new features. Here's a new screen that I ran into the other day that I just wanted to show you. So crazy Florida weather. I just ran into the car, I went to plug my phone in, and basically I got this message. So this is new with iOS 13. Let me just show you. I don't know, maybe can I flip this around? Let's flip this around. See, it's absolutely pouring out here. But iOS 13 just did not want me to plug in this phone. I guess a little water got into the jack. Hey guys, I just realized I'm doing this edit and I realized I didn't tell you what I did or what I did when that screen came up, just basically how the screen went away. I was in the car, so I needed to use the GPS. I clicked the emergency override and then it just began charging. I did unplug it. I did kind of pat it dry with a little tissue. Some rain clearly had gotten in there, so this was a good preventative measure. But I patted it dry, plugged it back in, I clicked emergency override, phone charged up, everything worked, the GPS kicked in, and I haven't had any issues with the phone. So, all right, back to the video. Anyways, I just wanted to show the screen off. This is new iOS 13 water screen when water gets in your lightning port. So we'll check it out.